Hey there. If you're self-conscious or downright embarrassed of your body, then listen up. Being insecure of your body can hold you back in life. I should know because this was me once. I wore clothes that were too big for me and they had to be black. I wanted to improve my health and physical appearance, but was disheartened by the time required to do it. Who has the time to exercise at least 30 to 60 minutes a day, 3 times a week when you have a career, a family that needs your attention, and kids to take care of? I also enjoyed my nights out with friends and lazy Sunday, which made me feel guilty for not working out. 6-pack abs seems like an unachievable goal. Luckily, I stumbled upon an amazing solution. A powerful method which is highly effective, time-saving, and fun. So what is HIIT, also known as high-intensity interval training? HIIT means exercising at an intense pace for a short period. And scientists have found that this workout method is miles better than a moderate pace workout. Studies show that the intensity of exercise is one of the greatest factors in rapid fat loss. Imagine how happy I was to find out that I can get closer to my fitness goals by spending less time working out. Do you remember when you had a dial-up internet and you had to wait 30 minutes just to load up a video? Now it takes seconds. This is exactly what HIIT did for my body. The results came so fast I couldn't even believe it. HIIT is fun. Old-fashioned cardio takes hours for results, and you easily get bored of the repetitive motion on the treadmill. On the other hand, HIIT is fun, more variety, and engaging. Efficient. HIIT lasts only 30 minutes, but the afterburn effects will last hours after the exercise. Minimalistic. You don't need expensive equipment to do them. Just use your body weight. Maybe a few dumbbells, a jump rope. That's it. Location independent. You can perform the workouts anywhere. Do it in the living room with your kids. Do it in the office on lunch break. If you're daring enough, do it at the side of the road when you're stuck in a traffic jam. But please don't disrupt the traffic. A brain booster. HIIT has been shown to boost levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein involved in brain cell repair, learning, memory, mood regulation, and cognitive function. Conventional exercising methods do not release this brain-boosting protein. A muscle builder. HIIT promotes muscle synthesis if done right. Furthermore, HIIT boosts growth hormone levels, which helps the muscle building process. Customizable. Because it's a method of exercising instead of a list of exercises, HIIT is customizable. Anyone from beginner to seasoned athlete can use HIIT to improve their performance, health, and aesthetics. I'm sure you'd agree that scientists love the idea of making workouts more effective and efficient. That's why they love HIIT so much. If you think about it, HIIT just makes sense. Mo Farah is a famous marathon runner whose feats are impressive to say the least. However, if you look at his physique, it's not what you have in mind when you think of a fit body. Compare that to Usain Bolt. He's ultra lean, athletic, and has the aesthetic body that most men wish for. It just makes sense that training intensely for a short period of time will make you more athletic than training moderately. I'm guessing you're sold on the benefits of HIIT and finally convinced that building the beach body you've always dreamed of is no longer a pipe dream. Well, today's your lucky day because I'm giving you full access to my entire collection of how to burn off fat and build muscle in a matter of minutes. And for the first time ever, they've been compiled into one incredible blueprint. Benefits of HIIT, diet plan for body sculpting, HIIT for fat loss, and many more. Just know that I've spent hundreds and thousands of dollars into developing these proven methods to give you the simplest way to get that dream body. I'm granting you the permission to follow my method and apply it for a total body transformation. It's your chance now to have the dream body you've always wanted. Introducing HIIT To Fit. This blueprint will chisel your abs, melt away the flab, give you an aesthetic body, and other health benefits such as better memory and cognitive function, youthful looks, and unstoppable energy. You will discover why conventional exercise routines do not work. Find out how to get the aesthetic physique in the least amount of time. Here's what I'll be sharing with you exclusively. How to melt fat like butter, the no BS way that can be done anywhere, anytime, and by anyone with a minimal budget for maximum results. How HIIT can radically spike your growth hormone levels for muscle building and denser bones. Secret supplements that will turn your body into a fat-burning furnace. Hint, one of these supplements might be in your kitchen right now. How to enjoy a rich and delicious meal 3 times daily while getting a six-pack. Why lazing around the house is just as important as working out for weight loss, and so much more for you to learn inside. And here's the good news. This will not cost you an arm and a leg. For a one-time investment, you'll get a blueprint that you can return to for the rest of your fitness journey. This master plan is worth so much more than what I'm offering you right now. But I'm having a launch promotion where you can have the book for only a fraction of its total value. Here's the deal. Promise me you'll put everything you've learned into this for the next 30 days. These scientifically proven methods are easy to implement and addictive to do. Silence the lies that are telling you you're too old or fat or too weak for a transformation. All you have to do is follow what the book says and you'll see results. But if you're not completely satisfied, simply return your order within 30 days for a full refund. However, I do need to remind you that you're letting go of a chance to turn your life around if you choose to click away from this offer. If HIIT To Fit doesn't help you burn off the fat and give you the body you've always dreamt of, then you can simply return the book and get your money back. Every penny of it, no questions asked. So why wait another day? Your investment in HIIT To Fit is 100% guaranteed. Act now and you'll also get these 2 free bonuses. Mega bonus number 1, complete checklist, step-by-step guidelines and easy to follow action steps for you to break huge topics into easily digestible chunks. Mega bonus number 2, comprehensive mind map, visually appealing mind maps to outline everything you're going to discover in HIIT To Fit. You get all the bonuses for free if you act today. I reached a whole new level of fitness using the methods in this book. Please take a leap of faith and try out these methods. I know you'll like what you see in the mirror. Click on the order button below to get started.